I want to start with your piece that you wrote on Android Police. You can go read it now. It's called "I Use the New Sora Video App and We're All Doomed." So I clearly understand where you're coming from. After you've harassed me all week, I see the evidence here. Like, let's get into it.
Yeah, so I had heard that the same moment they were releasing this app, but I didn't pay any attention to it. I was looking around. I didn't realize it was iOS only. I went on, I downloaded it, wanted to go on. You need an invite code. It was invite only. I didn't have one, so I just left it installed. I didn't think about it for about a week. I go back on there, I think it was the Thursday or Friday, whenever I bombarded you with these videos, and I had gotten access. So I immediately saw that real people were on there, and you could do this thing it's called a cameo, where you basically look into the selfie cam, you say 3 numbers that are displayed on the screen, and you turn your head in a couple directions, and it basically creates your likeness with a sort of your voice and your movements and a few other things. And then you could go to town. I put myself in a Bob Ross episode.
Working on a portrait of a friend, checking a little BlackBerry while cuddling a black cat. I'm just laying in some of the darker shapes first. A touch of color here for the frame of his glasses, and we'll let that highlight.
I was doing bowling in the 90s. I was doing showing my black cat how to use a BlackBerry.
This is a BlackBerry. We're gonna send a text. See this little square? That's the trackpad. Light touch, just like that. Let me help you out. Meow. Look at that. You just typed hello and sent it. First message done. You're a natural.
You could, whatever you could think of, as long as the person's not a living artist that they're aware of, it's within content guidelines, and you could go to town. AI still has its troubles with certain things. Like, you could really tell something's AI if you ask it to do a computer. It doesn't get computer keyboard layouts right, and there's small things, and there's a bunch of different things. But for just people reproducing a video of a person speaking, it's getting pretty darn convincing, and that to me is scary.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'm bringing back the BlackBerry with a 2025 twist, a 5-day battery, a secure modern OS, and the physical keyboard people still love. I'm calling it the Neo,